slippery. Whoa, excuse me, please me. Please. I'm up, believe me. Get beat, cause I'm flexing Rari. You can bet on me. All set. Hey, slippery. She numbing me, that tongue on me.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I do not have an intro today, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this thing. So basically I'm just gonna rinse off my hair, get off all the product that I had in there, any gels, conditioners. I'm just gonna rinse that off, as you can see on the screen. Then I'm gonna section it into 4 sections so I can go ahead and start my detangling process. I know that it may look like I'm rushing and pulling my hair, but I'm really just taking my time. You have to make sure that you're taking your time when you are detangling your hair, that way you don't get as much breakage. I just sped the video up to make it short because it takes a freaking hour and a half just to wash and detangle my hair. So if you see it looks like I'm pulling my hair, I'm not. Also, guys, if you have an adjustable shower head, I like to turn mine to the like the really hard one. That way I can kind of massage my scalp while I'm washing my hair. Now, this part is extremely important for me. I'm not sure for everybody else, but when I wash my hair, I do not wash all of my hair. I just wash the roots, and then once I rinse it, then it cleanses the other part. The reason why I do that is because when you apply the shampoo and stuff to your hair, your ends are very, very fragile, and it basically dries it out. So I try to focus more on my roots, and also causes less tingling when you do it that way. So as I wash my hair, give my scalp the love it needs, I basically pull the hair so that way it doesn't get tangled or anything like that, and then I just keep washing it. this is basically the end, and I already detangled all 3 of the other sections of my hair, but there's not enough time or footage in the world for me to record that, so I basically cut all that part out just so I can shorten the video. So I'm just going to show you guys how I detangle my hair after it's already washed, and I apply the conditioner. So the conditioner that I use, you can actually use it as a leave-in as well, so I use that to detangle my hair again like I did at the beginning, and then I rinse some of it out and I leave some of it in. So after rinsing out some of the conditioner, basically apply the oil of your liking to your hair or moisturizer. Normally I do this out of the shower, but for recording purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. So I apply the oil, then I just massage my scalp and give it the love that it needs. And we're done. And you're just going to allow your hair to air dry. So this is the leftover breakage that I got from washing my hair. My hair was pretty tangled. Being natural, you're going to get some breakage, but my hair was pretty tangled, so that's quite a bit. But make sure, guys, when you're washing your hair that you are taking your time and giving your hair the love that it needs. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys come back to my channel. Thank you, guys. See you later.